Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is February 3, Saturday. Today we have planned for Motiv Eats meal prep is we're meeting two of our sponsors, Nico and Adriana. So we sponsored them for the Motiv Eats meal prep, and our strategy is to make them post 2 times a week on their Instagram page and Facebook, and then we're gonna give them meals at a discount. The first 2 weeks we're gonna give them meals for free. It is currently the 2nd week, and then after that we're gonna give them at a discounted rate. I'm not gonna tell you guys because it's a secret, but it's gonna be a lot cheaper than going to an actual meal prep place. So yeah, we're gonna give them like 10 meals, or they have option to you know, get bulk protein, which is like ground turkey, like 2 or 3 pounds of ground turkey, because you know that shit takes hella long to cook. Anyways, see you guys. This is Miles right here. This is the chef and business partner.
What's good?
What's up? Let's do this.
Oh, good.
So this is the picture. Get this, we just got a fridge. This guy took his car and got the fridge inside his car. No truck, no truck needed, man.
No,
How you roll?
No, truck fucking needed.
Truck was needed, but
you know what? Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
My brother, his car broke down. It was a truck, and we have the white Tacoma, but then it broke down, so he had to sacrifice his car. But we are more than excited to have a fridge.
Hell
it is 5'7", huge fridge. But,
yeah, my car knows how big it is.
It can fit like probably 70 to 80 meals. That's 7 or 8 customers.
And then some.
That we could store, yeah. And we could store like produce in there, meat, like a lot of things, yeah. That is my gym. Westa.
Really? For real? That's fucking nice, bro.
Exactly.
That's nice.
We need to get it, man.
Alright, well, you know what? Once we get some...
Alright, so today what we have planned is to do the sponsor meeting, and then we have to do the menu design, and then we have to find out which kind of bowls we want. I'm thinking the bowls to keep it at 3 bowls, pricing them at around $10. Yeah, the bowls are gonna be set bowls, like you can't edit them at all. It's gonna be a 5x1, meaning 5 of the same lunches, or 5 of the same dinners, whatever you want to call it. But that's what we're gonna do. It's very humbling. So I sat here with my other business partner. He's sitting damn near in the same seat. This was back in July. I remember back in July, this was called Muscle Made Meals, and then yeah, it's totally different now, but yeah, gonna get this meeting going soon. It starts at 11 and it's 10:50. Hey, haircut. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Nico. This is the sponsored athlete from Motiv Eats. Yeah, tell them about, like, you work at the gym, right?
Yeah, I work at Westa Gym in downtown San Jose.
Yeah. You have a story or anything? Like, how you got into fitness and stuff?
Actually, how I got into fitness was through multiple sports.
Okay. What did you play?
In high school, I did wrestling.
Oh, shit. Okay.
And then most of my life, I competed at high level in judo. State and national level.
Okay.
That's it.
So we just negotiated with the sponsor. So Nico, he works at Westa as a front desk person. He is, we created a negotiation where we would do 10 meals for a discounted price, but he wants it Monday and Wednesday. And then we were trying to negotiate, we're going back and forth of when, of the logistics of it. But we came into an agreement, and yeah, it's ready to go. We're gonna implement all the stuff by next week, which is this Monday. Yeah. So this is the fridge we have. All right, go. Yeah, I got it. We are in the process of moving this thing. Literally, it's in the back of this car. I'm just trying to record it, man. I don't know, it's funny because our neighbors are always there, and I bet you they're wondering like, what the fuck are they getting this big ass fridge for? You don't know what we doing, man.
I'm just hoping you have the key to the garage.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
We'll open it up, man. All right, stop.
Stop, stop.
Okay. Yeah, man. Look at that thing.
It's a poor fucking car.
This is what happens when your brother doesn't bring the truck.
This is what happens when you have a silent TC, but and you need a fucking fridge.
All right, we're gonna open it up. We made it inside, baby. Woo! Took a lot of work. All right, the fridge is inside. Battery is low.
I can feel it.
And it works. Yeah, so here's the fridge.
We gotta get a picture, bro. We gotta get a picture of this.
Yeah, so here's the fridge, guys. It is freezerless. It's 5x7, same height almost. But yeah, no freezer, just all compartments. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shelves in my fridge. Yeah. Anyways, I'm weird. Yeah, we got side pockets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And yeah, we put it right here. We're gonna put that shelf up in the office. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll also show you guys the office coming soon. I have the produce and all the meats on the side. So that's that. Yeah, we'll be able to cook twice as many customers because 70 or 80 meals can go in here while we can be cooking another 70/80 meals in the kitchen. So that way we can double our amount of customers and yeah, huge things coming for us. Very excited, but yeah, that's what it is. Alright guys, let me show you guys the office for Motive Eats. We just put in this what do you call that, shelving unit right here. It's gonna have the pots and pans, and then bam, we have this right here. It speaks so much to me and our company.
We need more.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna edit here. We're gonna do business planning and all that, menu development up in the office. But yep, this is a huge milestone for us. Miles, what do you guys say about this?
Man, it's about goddamn time. Let's get this shit rolling.
Yeah, we are ready and prepared to shell out meals. Alright, catch you in the next one.
Shit. Order
our shit.
Meals. I wanna make you food.
Yeah, alright. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.